Hi, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the session, let us see how exactly we can perform a typing a text into a particular text field. If at all there is any text field is there, how exactly we can perform that particular value entry operation. Using this system built-in keyboard, we are going to perform this particular operation. Okay, so here let us see how exactly it's gonna work out. So you need to identify an element and then you just need to use a type text followed by the desired text that you wanna enter. So what I'm gonna do right now here is let me create a new test. So I'm just naming it as second dot test dot js. Okay, second dot test dot js. And from there I was just copying my before, okay, describe before content from there, and I was just putting it here. And also I just want to close this it up. Okay, perfectly all right. So here the describe is starting here, the before is starting here. Perfect. Now we should have a test. So here my copilot is giving me some test. So let us take some test. So here, okay, so let us take some text here. uh, Handling of text fields in UI kit catalog app. So I just pressed a tab operation. As and when I have done this one, my copilot is giving me a suggestion that, buddy, you can use a type text fields dot a tab. See guys, I haven't written any code. My GitHub copilot is giving me that code base at all. And the text field is having a class name as a UI text field at an index tab, and then at an index 0 type a detox like that. Just to perform this operation, perform a tab and see, let us see what this return key is gonna does, what this is gonna does. Let us see. So here I'm commenting these lines. Okay, of course I'm commenting that a return key as well. Okay, just copy that. So the thing that we have right now here is basically we have a program. Okay, so we have a basic program that handles the text field, and whichever the text fields are there in which it will perform a tap operation on it, and then it will enter a value as a detox into that particular field. And what I am doing right now here is, okay, as part of my configuration, I just want to execute. Okay, let us open that particular just a configuration file and let us see what it is executing. Okay, we just need to change the executable file as well. Right. So by default, as you all know that by default it's executing that by default it is executing that detox, the file which is having this test.js. So I just want to change that particular content to this particular one. Okay, so let us find this one, just a configuration, and here instead of this one, second dot. So if you observe right now in the e2e directory, second dot test.js, this is the file that you want to execute. Whenever there is a star, right, all the files it will be executing, but this time we are asking strictly to execute this particular file itself. Now, the application that we are on is an UI kit catalog application. So as part of this binary path, okay, in the detox configuration itself, enable the configuration that it is related to. Okay, enable the configuration that it is related to the UI kit catalog application. I just enabled it. Now, let me try to run this particular program and see whether it is performing that operation on the UI kit catalog or not. It handled the text field. It should click out over there and it's entered the value. Perfectly all right. Now, what I am doing here is, as part of my second test, I was just using a tab return key. Let me try to run this command. In this situation, okay, let us see how the program is gonna execute. So it should click on that particular text field. It should enter a value and then it clicked on a return, which means the keypad got a closed successfully. So that's what the significance of this particular tap return key is. Okay, the tap return key, it's gonna close that, okay, in the return key from that particular keyboard. So this is the way how exactly we can use the text field. So type a text and the desired text you need to enter, and prior performing that operation, we will be using a tap operation on that text field so that the keyboard would be populated and then it will be entering the desired value. Okay, so perfectly all right. So see you again in the next session with the next topic. Thank you.